Hey guys, Tutorial Byte here, and today I'll be showing you how to record at 120 or 240 FPS on OBS Studio. So what you want to do is first have a display or window capture or whatever you want to do. Go to settings, press on video, press on the drop down menu for this. Select fractional FPS value, type in your preferred FPS value, 120 or 240, press apply, and then now you're ready to record in 120 or 240 FPS. Now I'll be showing you the differences between the recording at slow motion and full speed. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like, that would be very appreciated. And see ya.